Good morning, my dear children. So, back with your English language class. I'm back with your grammar class. So, all of you, my dear children, did you all collect it from your assignment, the previous day's work? Did you all do it? Okay. So, all of you open your grammar book to page number, this grammar book, Basic English Grammar and Composition, this book. Open to page number 14, 14. See, open this page. Page number 14. Okay. Now, all of you, my dear children, take out your book and you open to page number 14, E. Pick out the word which is not a noun. So, among this, you have to pick out the words which are not noun. See, number 1, E number 1. Eye, ear, skin, tongue, see. All of you pay attention in your book. You are paying attention in your book. Okay. So, eye, ear, skin, tongue, see. So, you see, eye, ear, skin and tongue, all these are nouns. Okay. They are nouns. They are parts of the body. But see is an action word. S-E-E-C. It is an action word. It is a verb. So, which is the odd one over here? See. Now, the second one. Crow, owl, swim, parrot, sparrow. See, crow, owl, parrot, sparrow, these are all, I'm very sorry, these are all what? Birds. So, swim is not a bird, swim is not a noun, swim is an action word. So, it is a odd one in this group of words. Among this group of words, this one is the odd word, and so, swim is the odd one. It's a word. Then the third one, horse, goat, sheep, useful, buffalo. So you see over here, all these are animals, but useful is not animal over here. Okay, then snake, crocodile, lizard, crawl, earthworm. So all of you see over here, all these are names of animals, but crawl is not a name of an animal. It's an action word. So it's an odd one. Like sugar, salt, lick, lemon, sugar cane. So all of this, sugar, salt, lick, lemon, sugar cane. Lemon, sugar cane, sugar, salt, these are all things. But lick is not a thing. Lick is a verb. Like this, you will do the work over here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will do it yourself. Let me see. I discussed the first 6 till number 6, not number 6, number 5 with you. From postman, teacher, work, barber, blacksmith, from there till the 10th number, you will do it yourself. I want to see how much you are improving. Okay, do it yourself. Okay, so when I will send it to you in your assignment in the next class, then you can see that how much you can do it correctly. And I suppose if this conception you are keeping in your mind, then you can see this. All of the things in this exercise, you can do it correctly. Okay, so let's go back, I'll go to F. So here also, read the nouns given below, circle the noun that does not belong to the group. Here also the odd thing, you have to take it out. School, college, hospital, nurse, market. So, school, college, hospital, nurse, market. Out of this, market is a place, hospital place, college place, school place, but nurse is not a place. Okay, so nurse is a person. So nurse is the odd person over here out. Then second one, garlic, onion, egg, brinjal, potato. You see over here, garlic, onion, brinjal, potato, these are all vegetables. But egg is not a vegetable, egg is a poultry product. So it's an odd thing out over here. Then the number 3, pig, cat, goat, puppy, horse. Number 3, all of you are seeing? Number 3, F, number 3, page number 14. Then pig, cat, goat, puppy, horse. You see over here, pig, cat, goat, horse. These are all adult animals. But puppy is the young one of a goat. I'm very sorry, young one of a dog. Okay, so it's a baby dog. Then number 4, ear, nose, eye, food, mouth. So see, ear, nose, eye, food, mouth, these are all parts of the body, but food is not the parts of the body. Food is something, it's a thing. you eat. Okay, so it's the odd thing out over here. So number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you do it yourself. You can do it, try it, it's very, very interesting. Do it yourself, okay, my dear children? And I'll send it in your assignment, you can check it, you can check your work. Now, go to page number 15, 1515, okay, then, see number G, fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. The dash gives milk, you can write over here the cow, you can write goat, you can write. So, all the milch cattle, anyone's name you can write over here, those gives milk. I wrote cow over here. These dash are sour, so I wrote grapes. Okay, these grapes are sour. You can write lemon, whatever you write, it should be correct. Okay, the noun should be correct and it should match with the sentence. This table is made of wood. Tables are normally made of wood, so I wrote wood over here. The dash is in the cage. I wrote the parrot is in the cage. Number 4 I wrote the parrot is in the cage. You can write some any other bird. The pigeon is in the cage. You can write over there. Then the manna is in the cage. You can write. So it depends on you what you will write. But it should be correct. Number 5. Dash build their nests on trees. So birds. Birds build their nests on trees. Number 6. The dash knees. Who knees? Horse knees. Number 7. The dash barks. Who barks? You should know the sounds which are made by the animals. You should learn it by heart. The dog barks. The dash roars. It can be the lion also, it can be the tiger also, anyone you can write. Then number 9, the dash trumpets. Who trumpets? The elephant trumpets. 10, the dash is in his clinic. Who stays in the clinic? The doctor. So I wrote the doctor over here. Number 11, the earth moves round the sun. Of course, who moves round? You can write the planets also moves round the sun. I wrote the earth over here. You can write the planets also. It depends, whatever, but the answer should be correct. Now 12. The dash teaches us. Normally the teacher teaches us. So I wrote the teacher over here. Now the 13th one. Where is your house? You can write where is your school. That also you can write. I wrote house over here. Number 14. Her dash is grey. I wrote here. Her hair is grey. Then 15. The farmer plows the field. So who plows the field? The farmer. So this I wrote over here. Now here are certain help boxes given over here. Number 8, I am talking about number 8. Page number 15, the help box is given over here and some group of words are also given over here. So you have to categorize those into persons, places, animals and things. Like persons, teacher, nurse, carpenter, brother. Class is also classified over here in the persons group because places, animals, things. Class over here is the group of students. Okay, I classified the class of students, means it's a group of students who stays in the class. So I wrote the class according to the persons, not the place. Okay, then places are forest, garden, temple, city. Animals, mouse, camel, snake, buffalo. Then things, flower, knife, watch, stake, pen, rupee, bench. So I categorize like this, and regarding the class it may come in your mind that ma'am I will write about the place. So what is class? Class is a group of students. A group of students forms the class. So I wrote class in the persons category. Okay, don't mix it up. Okay, I wrote the class in the persons category because class is the group of students. Group of students makes the class. Okay, then so this chapter I think so. This noun chapter is completed. I completed this noun chapter and this chapter is there in your unit test portion. Okay. So I completed the chapter. The assignment you will get in your next class. I'll send the assignments to you. But first I want to see my children. They are doing the work themselves. You please do the work yourself and after that with my assignment you check your work. Okay. Now in the next class I am going to do this nouns. So after sending the assignment, when I'll get the next class, what I will do, I'll go for the nouns, the proper nouns. So I'll go for the proper nouns, okay, in the next class. So be prepared my dear children. Go for the definitions, go for the exercises, and please, if any problem you have, you are free to call me, okay, don't hesitate. You are free to call me that ma'am I am having problem in this matter, I want to speak to you. You are free to call me, okay, no hesitation. I am there to help you always my dear children. So we'll meet in the next class. Until then, stay safe in your house and prepare your lessons. Bye bye.